Hello students, in this lecture we are familiar with open collector output configuration of the TTL output section. TTL with totem pole output has a major problem that the two outputs of the two gates cannot be tied together. This problem is overcome in TTL with open collector output. Okay, see in this diagram or circuit, that is the basic TTL in totem pole, but the transistor Q3 and the diode are absent. This is called open collector output. Okay, what happened in the circuit? Pull-up transistor, that is known as Q3, and diode D of the totem pole output are removed. Therefore, the name is open collector. The collector of this transistor, that is a Q4, is open. Okay. This open collector gate will not work properly unless an external pull-up resistor is connected, shown in the diagram. Okay, this is pull-up transistor is connected to plus VCC to the Q4 and get the output VY output. Okay, next one is wired AND operation using open collector output. Okay, what is the benefit of this output configuration is called open collector. First one is wired AND operation. Wired AND operation, what is this? Open collector gates provide the facility of wired AND operation. This can be achieved by using two or more NAND gates. Okay, example 4 show in the diagram. This is NAND gate 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Okay, the output of this NAND gate, output of this NAND gate and output of this NAND gate are input to the final NAND gate, and we get the output is AB bar dot CD bar dot EF bar ka whole bar. That is the output of this circuit. The same circuit operation can be performed by simple trying the output of NAND gates. Okay, see here, this is the NAND gate 1, 2 and 3, but this is wired AND gate. Physically, there is no NAND gate present here. The output of this NAND gates and this NAND gates are tied together simple by wire, and this is represent wired AND output, and this is pull-up resistor is connected to one terminal with the VCC and one terminal connected to the NAND gates. Okay, this is wired AND output, and we get the output AB bar dot CD bar dot EF bar. Okay, this is called wired AND operation because the AND operation is obtained by simple connecting the output wires together. This has the advantage of combining the output of three devices without using a final OR gates or AND gate. This combining is done by a direct connection of three outputs to the lower end of the common pull-up transistor. Okay, I hope you understand what is the purpose of open collector configuration, because it is used as a wired AND operations. Simply by removing the transistor Q3, this is called pull-up transistor, is removed from the circuit of totem pole. Here transistor Q3 and diode is present in the totem pole connection of TTL. In the open collector connection, we are removed and connect a pull-up resistor with the transistor Q4, and this is used as a wired AND operation explained in this circuit diagram. Okay, next configuration of output states of the TTL is tri-state output. What is a tri-state output, or what is the purpose of the tri-state? This is the third TTL configuration. It utilizes the benefit of high speed of operation of totem pole configuration and wire ending of the open collector configuration. The tri-state output have the three possible output states. First one is logic 0, second one is logic 1, and third state is called high impedance or open circuit state, also referred as high dash Z, that is high impedance state. In the high impedance state, both the transistors, that is Q3 and Q4 in the totem pole arrangement, are turned off, so that output terminal is a high impedance to ground or VCC. In fact, the output is an open or floating terminal. It means neither a lower or a high state. We can say it is high impedance state. Okay. Basically, this is used for the tri-state output when the TTL is not in working, or we can say not in logic 0 and in logic 1. Simply, we can tri-state output or high impedance by the both transistor, that is the total pole arrangement, that is Q3 and Q4 are off. It means the totem pole arrangement of TTL, and in fact called TTL, is going to high impedance state, neither a lower state or high state, simply high impedance state. What is the basic TTL parameters? Current sourcing and current sinking, current and voltage, fan out, switching speed, noise margin, power distribution, power supply, and temperature range. In the examinations, we have many questions from the logic families. Calculate the fan out, calculate the switching speed, calculate the noise margin, what is the meaning of power distribution. Like these questions, that is a theoretical portion, but is have the concept behind the digital logic family. So go through first of all what is the logic families and basic of starting steps. Then we are going to basic of TTL, that is transistor logic. For our syllabus, your syllabus in the 4th SEM electrical must go all the logic family device before going to TTL in deeply. TTL having the one most questions in the main exam. What is the TTL? What is the totem pole connection? Advantage, disadvantage of the totem pole, working of totem pole, the open configuration of totem pole TTL, and what is the pull-up resistor, what is the benefit of diodes, and what is the pull-up diode and pull-up transistor. Like this wired, and these questions are raised in the main examination. So dear students, go through deeply from your reference books, from my notes, video, and Google. Go through TTL, the basic TTL in deeply in the for the point of your examination, that is the RTO examination is most important. One question from the logic families. Basically, TTM, that's a transistor logic, and the classification of digital logic families, that is the bipolar, unipolar, then bipolar is also categorized, unipolar is also categorized, that is NMOS, PMOS, and CMOS. In our syllabus, CMOS is also considered. CMOS, I explain in the next video, CMOS. And the TTL having the basics of diode, transistor, logic, then resistor, transistor, logic, and then TTL. They actually, for the logic families, students, you have the concept of electronics, basically diode and transistor. Go through the basic of diode working as well as transistor, that is working region, that is the cutoff region, saturation region, and active region. because logic families are mainly operate in cutoff and saturation region. So go through from the electronics, the basic of transistors as well as diodes. Okay, thank you.